mud on my face. I gotta rest my face. Oh yeah, I'm about to wash my face. I'm about to put mud on my face. Whoever thought of this needs to get put in their place. Because that's not a good taste. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I'm about to get boop, boop. I'm about to have a facial. My first facial ever. Homemade facial. Got the mud in the living room. And I got 2 of these. And I'm gonna put it on my face. Pop, 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 pop. Wrist. I took my band-aid off so you get to see my nose. This is called insecurity. We all got insecurities, so we covered up. That's why I had the band-aid. Boom. You gotta dry it out like this. A good dry off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, gotta get everything dry. Well, why do y'all do this? Man, they better do something to my face. After I'm done with this, my face better look different, because I don't know why y'all putting mud on y'all face. Like you don't know your place. That mud really don't need to be there. But y'all want to put mud on your face. Oh. This is my first time getting the facial. Quite a few people don't recommend getting the facial to me. They said they think I like it. So we gonna see. Let's see what the facial is all about. If I like the facial, I go get me a real facial. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting mud on my face. Before I put in her place. Oh yeah, I got some mud. What I'm about to do? You about to do it?
You wanna do it?
Oh no, I don't wanna do it. Oh yeah, you can do that.
It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator.
Oh yeah, that. I think that might heavy. Whoa.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, I got my head leaning sideways. Hold up. Hold up. Oh yeah. Hey. Hey, had this much weight on my head ever in my life.
You'll be alright.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I could go rob a bit right now, mask on. All I gotta do is go put some shades on. They can't see my eyes. Put some shades on where they can't see my eyes. Oh, yeah, I see steam coming out of my pants. That's some Haitian potion right there. That's a Haitian potion. She put the Haitian potion on my pants. That be gonna be good as new in a little bit. I got butter on my face. How long is it take to dry?
30 to 40 minutes.
30 to 40. Oh yeah, I feel it. My neck getting stiff. Oh yeah, I can't drive like this again. I won't be able to turn my neck. Oh yeah, I need to eat now. I gotta eat before my mouth starts moving. I don't know who thought of these, what part of earth God's plan these was, but these right here, Sierra honey. Ain't nothing funny when you got that Sierra honey. Boom. Got a little. It's a plum, huh? These things go crazy. Right now, I look like the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty black at heart. See, y'all ain't know that. I'm stuck. I can't move. Put me in the coffin.
Well,
It's done?
I'll give it a little more time. Come on.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. This. A recipe for disaster. I can't feel my face. Hold on. That's dirt? What that is?
There's dirt.
Oh yeah, my forehead. Dirty as fuck. I need some hot water, cause cold next to me. I'm from Florida. I'm a Florida boy. I'm warm-blooded. I'm just like them island people. I can barely move my neck.
So you can wash your mouth.
Oh yeah, what I got? Oh look, I'm gonna give me a whole shower cap.
Dry cry, even tears. Even your heart cry, but who cares? Whose fault? No one but yourself. Things do happen, words can't text.
Just give me a shower cap, you know it's a trap.
I gave her that D, I got that girl sprung. She told her friend.
Ain't do nothing to my face. I done put on the shower cap for no reason. Put on the shower cap. Face look the same. Shit, my face is just stiff for a good 30 minutes. But other than that, my face feel the same. We got my nose turning red. They really be tricky, y'all. They just want to put suds on your face.
Oh.
Now you looking like a
Okay,
disgrace.
just
Me no love my.
Keep the neck. Yeah, get up under there. You see, when you shower, a lot of y'all don't be wiping your neck. You don't scrub your neck, and you don't dry it off. That's why y'all wet neck cat. That's what it is. They come out the shower with water on their neck. Come out the bathroom, neck still dripping. They wash under their armpits. None of that. See, your peoples ain't teach you how to shower. You gotta have a thorough scrub. Yeah, there we go. this thing? The little facial thing did something.
Oh, I thought you was like, you don't do anything. But you put on this thing for nothing. That's what you were saying, right?
Oh yeah. I don't got right. So this is my first time getting a facial. And it feels good. If you like this video, share this video. And don't be afraid to leave a comment below. And that like button is just a thumbs up. So if you like what you see, go ahead and like that thing. But make sure you share it with a friend.